I don't know if you can hear some chirping noise around me. It's because I'm way too close to the nest of some barn swallows. And I'll admit, I was kind of wondering what all this white stuff on my drain spout was. Well, I have now figured it out. And I'll admit, I'm not as cold-hearted a person as most people would probably believe, so I'm not gonna do anything right now. But when these things are able to fly, this nest is gone, because this is quite a mess. And my cat drinks out of the water that these guys are pooping into.